Puffs. All right, it's a wonderful chocolatey cereal it is. Let's start with a couple feathers here. How about one right about there? That's always good. One right about here. Another one here. Top of his head they are. And another one down here like this. There you go. If you got that, we're already there. There we go. There's the back of his head. And then the top of his head right about here. Alrighty, let's draw a couple of eyes. Right here. There's one eye. And then we're going to get his other eye right about here. And I won't go all the way down because his beak's going to come in here, just like that. And then we're going to come up like this. He's got a big beak, he does, like this. And then a big old smile we'll give him all the way up there. Sweet. All right. And we'll continue his beak or his bill up around here. And then we're going to come all the way back down, just like this. All right, there's his chin. And then we're going to bring it back up. All righty. And you bring his mouth in like that. Let's not do the tongue. Right there. Okie doke. He's a little cuckoo, he is, so we're going to give him a bit of a squirrely kind of eye bits. Right like that. All right, maybe one eye over here. The other one can be down here like this. Just looking a little cuckoo like the way he is. Let's not forget his eyebrows. They're always up here. Maybe the other one off his face a bit like this. There you go. Looking nice. Okie dokie. Now what we can do is draw his body. So he's got a bit of feathery bits here on his shoulders. And then another bit of feathery bits here on his elbow. Bring his arm down like this. And then we can draw his fingers. One here. Another one here. Continue that on up. As if he's got two fingers there. Maybe he'll be pointing with this one. That's fun. And we'll bring his forearm up like this. And then meet his arm in like that to his shoulder. There we go. There's the beginning of it. Alrighty. Now we can draw his body here. Right down like this. Right like that. And the inside, or his back, I should say, right about here. And down behind his hand. And then we could draw a tail for him. So we'll draw one tail coming out like this. Feathery tails. Another feather right about here. And then the third feather right about here. Looking good. Now let's give him some legs. All right. So one leg here, we'll have him sticking his legs out. This is all fun. And the other one here. He's all cuckoo, he is, so make him look as if he's almost dancing or cuckoo dance. Right here and there. There we go, just like that. It's looking nice. Let's continue this straight leg here. Another straight leg here. And now we can draw his feet. He is a cuckoo bird, so he's got some big feet right here like this. Another toe right here like this. And then these birds, they have kind of a thumb toe here like that behind them. And then we can draw some nails in, because that's what they've got. Funny nails, there we go, there and there. All right, now let's do the same over here. This foot can be on the ground. One there. His back thumb-like here. And then we'll draw another right about here like this. There we go. All right, this is looking good. Perfect. All righty, it's Cuckoo. Sunny, I should say. Cuckoo, for Cocoa Puffs. Let's draw some more feathers here. And we'll bring this arm down like this. And let's bring a thumb up here like that. And we'll bring fingers here like this. This. And then like that. Meet it up with the thumb there. And we can bring a couple more feathers up here like that. Join it all on up. And it looks like we've got Cuckoo. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. It's Sunny Cuckoo from Cocoa Puffs. Let's eat some chocolate and do some coloring. Sunny has orange feathers, yellow beak and legs, a pink tongue. Thanks, everyone.